Hello. In this video, I will be examining the Inverse Fisher transform indicator and its variations on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Platforms. This indicator helps us identify overbought and oversold areas. As its name suggests, it is the result of the Fisher transform applied to the RSI indicator. This indicator consists of a line that when blue indicates overbought and when red indicates oversold. And when it is gray, it indicates neutral areas. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the period of the RSI indicator. The next option is the price on which the calculations are performed. The next option is the period of a moving average that plays a role in the Fisher transform calculations. The next option is the calculation method of the moving average. And we can specify the overbought and oversold levels, which can be set to a different value here instead of the default, which is half. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.